Hey guys, Dimitri here, software engineer at Retouch4Me. By the end of this video, you'll be able to cull entire photoshoots significantly faster using AI-assisted culling in Arams. That way, you can focus on the shots that really matter. We'll cover how image analysis and automatic ratings work, what influences those ratings, and how to filter images using AI-detected features. Quick note, for a steady stream of new tutorials and updates, be sure to subscribe to Retouch4Me channel and turn on notifications. Let's begin! Image analysis in Arams evaluates technical and facial features, things like focus, exposure, and closed eyes, to help you quickly identify the best shots in a photoshoot. Let's see how it works with a simple example. Right-click on an image to open the context menu and click Analyze. Once the analysis is complete, the image gets a rating between 0 and 5. For a quick visual assessment of issues detected by Arams, switch the image preview mode. Press I on your keyboard to cycle through the modes. Icons will appear on image previews. You can hover over each icon to see which issue it represents. Great, we've covered the basics. Now let's take a look at all the features Arams detected and how they affect the rating. In the vertical panel on the right sidebar, select the Details section, then open Image Features. You'll see the features Arams detected, like overexposure or underexposure. Arams also evaluates each face in the photo. Open the Faces section to view all detected faces. If a particular face has an issue, an icon indicates the problem. Hover over a face to see the detected features, such as being out of focus or having closed eyes. The final rating is calculated from the scores assigned during analysis. The first option is to exclude specific features from the calculation. Click the target value in the image or face features list. The rating updates as you toggle values on and off. Arams doesn't force ratings, it's just a tool, so the second option is to adjust the rating manually. Use the star rating or press 1 through 5 on your keyboard to change the rating. You may notice that some stars are white and others are yellow. White stars indicate automatic ratings, while yellow stars show ratings that you set manually. Image analysis is a paid feature, and one analysis credit is used for each image. You can check your remaining analysis credits at the top of the screen. Image analysis also requires an internet connection, since a low-res preview is sent to our servers for processing. You have full control over when analysis occurs. You can enable automatic analysis to have all images in your project analyzed automatically. To do this, go to Settings, open the General tab and turn on Automatic Photo Analysis. You can also analyze images manually. Use the context menu shown earlier, select the images and click Analyze. Finally, you can analyze entire folders. Go to Navigation, select the folders you want and click Analyze in the bottom left corner. Now that your images are rated, let's filter and sort to focus only on the best shots. I'm gonna show you 3 different ways. The first way is the Ratings filter. Click the icon to expand the filter section, then choose a rating range to view the filtered images. By default, all images are sorted by name. To sort by rating, right-click this icon and select by rating. To change the sort direction, click the icon again. The order will update. The second and the most flexible way to filter is to use detected features. In the left sidebar, expand the image features and face features sections. Click the icons to include or exclude images with specific features. The matching images will appear and you can refine the filter further as needed. The last and the fastest way to filter images is to use Smart Cull. It'll select a specific number of best images automatically. In the left sidebar, open the Smart Cull section and drag the slider to choose the number of images you want. This is useful when you need to retouch or deliver a fixed number of final images. To recap, Arams evaluates technical and facial features to help you identify the best shots. Each analyzed image receives an automatic rating, which you can adjust manually. You can filter images by rating detected features or automatically select a fixed number of top images. Analysis is optional, credit-based, and requires internet. Culling helps you decide which images move forward. In the next video, you'll learn how to retouch those images efficiently, consistently, and without overdoing the result. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Retouch for Me channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.